Welcome to the Humboldt Axe YouTube channel. I'm Doc, and this time, well, I'm currently standing in the middle of one of several old growth redwood stumps on our property. Man, this thing was cut down well over 100 years ago, but Michael Flowers, who's a legendary tree man here in Humboldt and dear friend of our family, asked me if I couldn't make his partner an axe, and I said, of course I can. Man, look at this thing. That's at least 15 feet across. You can still see the springboard notches cut out by the old school fallers. So that's what I'm up to. So stay tuned, hang with me. Let's get to it. So I got a nice head. I think it's about 4 pounds. Put on a 32-inch handle, but first thing I'm going to do is get this head weighed. I'm trying to make it a good practice to make sure I weigh them before I start hanging them, just to make sure, you know. Bring you in closer. Something like that, huh? All right. See here. Four pounds, a little over, but all right. Well, let's get this thing. Pretty good condition. I do need to get it cleaned up, though. You know, get it on the wire wheel, and I'll fix the pole and all that. It's a nice head. Man, yeah, it's sharp. All right, we get to Halfton. Well, I've got a few axe builds going on, but the next one's Jeff Schroeder, who runs a YouTube channel. He's from Grants Pass. He's a tree man up north, and he's born and raised in Humboldt. He grew up around here, but he runs a YouTube channel, and he sent me one of his heads. It's a 5 pound, and this one's mine. I'm keeping this one. And he was nice enough to send me one, and so that's coming after this. But I'm going to get to Halfton and get it going. I'm going to speed through it. So I'll talk to you when it's all done. another one down. I'm just getting it cleaned up. I coat all my axes with WD-40 or 3-in-1 oil. Works just as well, but there's a lot of us out here making axes, and I appreciate everyone. You know, hafting axes isn't rocket science by any stretch, but we all do it kind of the same, but we do our own spin and version on it. And I swear, regardless of somebody's talent or skill, you can really tell the character of somebody by their workmanship. And I've been asked if I guarantee my handles, and the answer is no, because there's a techniques to throw in an axe or to use in an axe, whether using it as a wedge banger or splitting firewood or chopping. Like, there's a technique to it, and I don't know if anybody knows. A lot of the people I give axes to, most of them know how to use an axe and take care of it. But, you know, I can't guarantee that. But I guarantee one thing, that head ain't coming off. That hand will get broken long before the head comes off. But that's neither here nor there, I guess. The next axe build I'm going to do is my personal axe. I reached out to Jeff Schroeder. He's a tree man up in Grants Pass, and he sent me one of his heads. I've been looking for a solid 5-pound wedge style, and I reached out to Jeff, and he sent me one to try out, and that's going to be the next one I do. Jeff is a professional tree man up in Grants Pass, and he's actually originally from Humboldt as well, and he's got a really good YouTube channel. I'll put his information down below, but I'd encourage everybody to go check out Jeff's channel and make sure you subscribe. We all appreciate the support in this YouTube world. I don't know if any of us know what we're doing. We're just doing what we do and put it out to the world, and kind of that's that. And Michael Flowers as well. He's a tree man here in Humboldt, and he's been here for quite some time. He's really good. I'll make sure to put all his information down below. So I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to help support the growth. And of course, my family and I, we greatly appreciate it. So from our family to yours, celebrate others, respect yourself, because love is powerful, man. I'll see you on the next one.